What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Banks back again with another video. Got some more goodies that just came in the mail. Let's check it out. What we have here is the C6 zr1 extended spoiler. Gonna be installing this today on the Vette. Purchased this from a store called what's the name of it? Extreme Online Store off the internet. Make a lot of good Vette products. Figured I'd check this out. After seeing a couple of people have good reviews about it. It's supposed to go on rather easy. A couple different ways you can do it. It's supposed to mount up where the small spoiler is already on your car. But you can also drill additional holes in your trunk, which I don't think I'm going to be going that route. But I'm going to use the 2 additional holes that's already there, and I think I'm going to use 3M tape on the edges of the wing. But we'll check it out and we'll see. So I already got started. Have to remove tail lights out the rear to actually get to the screws of the wing. Just got to take the 2 inner tail lights, and they're only held in surprisingly by 1 screw, which is I believe this is a, let's see, a T15 torque bit. So that'll get it right out there. It's just 1 screw holding it in. Release your clip, comes right loose, and this is the actual tail light. That's where the screw goes right there. And we're going to get started on the other side and see if we can get that one out and see what we got. Let's see here. Try not to scratch my car up. Not sure what size socket I need for the bolts on the wing, and also that factory brake light fits right into the new wing, so shouldn't have any problems there. I think I'm gonna also upgrade these tail lights one day, make them look a little newer. So you have to have really small arms to get up in there. They're held together by these 10mm type of bolts. They're like a built-in washer. There's 4 of them. You have to disconnect the brake light within the inside, from the inside. It's pulled straight up. She comes right off. So now what I need to do is I need to disconnect the brake light so that I can mount it into its new housing of the new wing. So find what tool I need and get started with that, and let's see how that goes. What we need to do is just clean this up some, wipe it off, and prep it to get ready to place the wing back on. All right, folks, so we got her all marked up and taped all up with the 3M tape for extra protection. Make sure she don't come off there, because like I said, we're only going to use the 2 holes in the middle to actually hold it to the car as far as the bolts. So I'm going to test fit it, see how she looks, and before I actually press it on down and bolt it on up. Let's see. So that's what she should look like when it's all said and done. perfect fitment. I think it looks kind of sexy. Like the way that looks. Let's bolt it on down and I'll show you what it look like when I'm done. All right, the little bit of tough love is on there. She's sitting good. Just need to put the tail lights back in, but here's how she look. All bolted down. I'm impressed with it. I like it. Not a bad pickup at all. Like I said, I gotta put the tail lights back in and get her all back together. So like I said, I gotta put the tail lights in, get her all back together, and button everything up and clean it off. So a lot of fingerprints and stuff on it from pressing down on the 3M tape. But I will say, definitely worth the money. Like I said, if you're looking for a wing, this is one of the better, cheaper ones right here. It's not carbon fiber, they call it carbon flash. But I'm definitely pleased with it. Money well spent. Get her all buttoned back up. Yeah, so everything's finished. I wiped it off, put the tail lights back in. Like I said, man, it's one of the better wings I've seen for the money. Really, it looks really good on the car. Can't complain at all. Money well spent. Also, another mod that I did that I didn't get a chance to show y'all. It's this right here. Ordered the Mighty Mouse catch can for the LS motor. Those that don't know, this right here, it basically prevents oil, for lack of better words, from going into your intake under vacuum. Catches all the oil in here, let the fumes go back to where they need to go. You take it out periodically and you drain it. Best best investment you can make on your car. Always recommend to people, if you have a performance car, it's one of the best investments you can make. Saves your motor in the long run. But yeah, I had one of these cans on my Hellcat when I previously had it. Like I said, I just love it, man. Well worth the money. But that's all I've done so far. Still more stuff to come. Also some more four-wheeler content. So like I said, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. And I have more content on the way.